My name is Joy and I teach Year 3 at Seoul Foreign British School. This is a summary of my attempts to redefine my numeracy lessons using technology. The inspiration for my final project came from a website called Math Train TV. It is an excellent resource of tutorials made by kids for kids. This gave me the idea to use tutorials to help my students understand the concepts in maths that children often find difficult to grasp. I decided to use a variation on the flipped classroom model. Instead of giving the tutorials as homework, I chose to use them during our numeracy lessons. This was to allow the children more freedom to learn at their own pace and to give them the control to stop the tutorials and replay the bits they found difficult to understand. We began with tutorials that explained how numbers are regrouped in column addition and subtraction. I chose to start a few children on a more basic review of place value before they moved on to learning column addition. As the days went on, the children were grasping the concepts quickly. They all responded enthusiastically and everyone was eager to get on with their lessons. The children were given worksheets to practice what they had been learning. Most of the work completed was very accurate. The next phase of the unit was for all the children to make their own tutorials. They were responsible for choosing the number or word problems they wanted to demonstrate. They worked individually and in pairs to make their tutorials. Here are some examples.
Hello everybody, my name is Yoon-jung and my name is Isaac. Today we'll tell you how to do money problems. It's really easy. Now Isaac, can you read the question for me? What is the total cost for a £4.70 book and a £6.10 game? Okay, Isaac, don't you think it's plus because it said total? Yeah, total is add. Yeah, just what I'm talking about. Okay, I'll write it. So £4.70 and £6 and 10 pence. We did a plus because it said total cost. So tell me what to do, Isaac. So it is 0 plus 0 equals 0. Okay. And 7 plus 1 equals 8. Okay. Guys, don't forget the decimal point. And 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10. And the pound sign.
So first, you have to times 9 by 2. So it equals 18. So we put the 1 on top of the 3 and add the 8 at the bottom there. And then you times 3 by 2, which would make 6. But then you have to add the 1 up here, which would make 7. So then your answer is 78.
As well as being an excellent way for the children to show what they know and explain their thinking, their tutorials have provided me with a useful means of assessing their understanding. For example, in this tutorial I could see the children were on the right lines in trying to figure out this problem, but they are clearly not secure in the effect of multiplying by the power of 10.
Times 100. It equals 400. Right, Isaac? Yeah.
The response from the children has been overwhelmingly positive. When I asked them how they enjoyed using and making tutorials, all the kids told me they had fun. Here are some of their responses. Tell me something that you've enjoyed about using Khan Academy.
It was like fun, the problems and watching the tutorials were like fun.
What was helpful about it?
It's like I can pause the video and think about it by myself.
I liked getting to know where I was up to and knowing if
I could move on or had to watch it again without the teacher having to tell me you're up to here and up to there.
Do you think that that was helpful, that you were able to stop and start when you wanted to?
Yeah, because sometimes I don't understand bits but I have to keep playing.
So if you watched something and you didn't understand, what did you do?
I just watched it again and I got better. I've enjoyed recording them and getting comments from other people.
What do you like about getting comments from other people?
Because they're really nice to listen to, and it tells my mum that I'm actually learning in school.
Over the past month, my students have learned and practiced a variety of written methods ranging from column addition to problems involving time and money. The use of technology has redefined the way I have been able to deliver the numeracy curriculum. Tutorials have helped me to teach my students who need more practice with number bonds at the same time as my students who are ready for adding and subtracting decimals. For the purpose of learning written methods of calculation, using this version of the flipped classroom is an ideal tool for differentiation. I will continue to utilise this tool in this way, and my students will continue to make tutorials as a means to show and teach others what they know.